Locks which are placed by Dbms are called A. Shared locks, B. Exclusive locks, C. Implicit locks, D. Explicit locks. Correct answer C. Implicit locks. Implicit locking refers to how Oracle automatically locks a database row during an insert, update, or delete operation. What is a snapshot of the data in the database at a given instant time called? A. Database instance, B. Database scheme, C. Database snap, D. Snap of database. Correct answer A. Database instance. A database instance is a set of memory structures that manage database files. At the physical level, ACDB is a set of files on disk created by the create database statement. Which of the following concurrency control protocols ensure both conflict serializability and freedom from deadlock? A. Two-phase locking, B. Timestamp ordering, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above. Correct answer B. Timestamp ordering. Timestamp ordering protocols prevent deadlock by aborting any transaction that tries to access a data item that has been modified by a later transaction. This ensures that the transactions are executed in a serializable order, meaning that the outcome is equivalent to some sequential execution. As clause is used in SQL for A. Selection operation, B. Rename operation, C. Join operation, D. Projection operation. Correct answer B. Rename operation. As clause is used in SQL to rename columns and tables. As clause helps to shorten the queries and improves code readability. The alias created by as clause exists only for the duration of the query. With regard to the expressive power of the formal relational query languages, which of the following statements is true? A. Relational algebra is more powerful than relational calculus. B. Relational algebra has the same power as relational calculus. C. Relational algebra has the same power as safe relational calculus. D. None of these. Correct answer C. Relational algebra has the same power as safe relational calculus. What is the valid sequence of processing a Dbms query? A. SQL statement to parse, to optimize to generate execution. B. SQ statement to validate to parse to optimize to generate execution. C. SQL statement to parse to validate to optimize to generate execution. D. None of these. Correct answer C. SQL statement to parse to validate to optimize to generate execution. Consider a schema R with elements W, X, Y, Z with functional dependencies W to X and Y to Z. The decomposition of R into R1 and R2 is A. Dependency preserving but not lossless join. B. Lossless join but not dependency preserving. C. Dependency preserving and lossless join. D. Neither dependency preserving nor lossless join. Correct answer A. Dependency preserving but not lossless join. This decomposition is considered a lossless join decomposition because a natural join between R1 and R2 will result in the original schema. A decomposition is considered to be dependency preserving if after the decomposition, the dependencies can still be enforced. When we update any tuple in the relation, which authorization on a relation allows a user to A. Select authorization, B. Update authorization, C. Grant authorization, D. Define authorization. E. All of these. Correct answer B. Update authorization. Maintaining a separate copy of the database at multiple locations is A. Horizontal partitioning. B. Data replication. C. Vertical partitioning. D. Horizontal and vertical partitioning. Correct answer B. Data replication. Data replication involves creating and maintaining duplicate copies of the entire database or specific portions of it across multiple locations or nodes in a distributed database system. Each copy or replica contains the same data, and updates or modifications to the data are propagated to all replicas to ensure consistency. Replication improves data availability, fault tolerance, and scalability by allowing local access to data and reducing the impact of network failures or node outages. The concept of locking cannot be used to solve the problem of A. Lost update. B. Uncommitted dependency. C. Inconsistent data. D. Deadlock. Correct answer D. Deadlock. The concept of locking can be used to solve the problem of lost update, uncommitted dependency and prevents inconsistency among data, but it is not capable of preventing the deadlock always. Consider a weak entity set W and its identifying owner entity set O. Primary key of W is composed of A. Discriminator of W and primary key of O. B. Super key of W and primary key of O. C. Discriminator of W and foreign key of O. D. Super key of W and foreign key of O. Correct answer A. Discriminator of W and primary key of O. The discriminator, or partial key, of a weak entity set is the set of attributes that distinguishes among all the entities of a weak entity set. Wildcard is used in where clause when A. Exact match is not possible in a select statement. B. Exact match is necessary in a create statement. C. Exact match is not possible in a create statement. D. Exact match is necessary in a select statement. Correct answer A. Exact match is not possible in a select statement. Wildcard characters are used with the like operator. The like operator is used in a where clause to search for a specified pattern in a column, which is not the purpose of normalization of schema. A. Conversion of data to a canonical form to promote schema integration. B. Reduction of the number of anomalies that can occur during inserts, deletes, and updates. C. Elimination of redundant data stored in the database. D. None of these. Correct answer A. Conversion of data to a canonical form to promote schema integration. Consider the following schedules involving two transactions S1 and S2. Which one of the following statements is true? A. Both S1 and S2 are not conflict serializable. B. Both S1 and S2 are conflict serializable. C. Only S1 is conflict serializable. D. Only S2 is conflict serializable. Correct answer D. Only S2 is conflict serializable. Conflict serializability is a property of a schedule that guarantees that the outcome of the concurrent transactions is equivalent to some serial order of the same transactions. Which of the following is true? A. Every relation is third neural form is in BCNF. B. Lossless dependency preserving decomposition into BCNF is always possible. C. A relation with two attributes is in BCNF. D. No relation can be in both BCNF and third neural form. Correct answer C. a relation with two attributes is in BCNF. BCNF stands for Boy Squad Normal Form, which is a higher level of database normalization. It ensures that each determinant of a relation is a candidate key, which means that all non-trivial functional dependencies are eliminated. In B+tree search structure, the leaf node contains A. Search entries, B. Data entries, C. Tree entries, D. All the above. Correct answer D. All the above. The leaf node of the B+tree can contain at least n by 2 record pointers and n by 2 key values. At most, a leaf node contains n record pointer and n key values. Which is the correct property of B tree? A. Number of keys in each node must be equal number of its children nodes. B. Number of keys in each node must be 1 less than the number of its children nodes. C. Number of keys in each node must be greater than number of its children nodes. D. Number of keys in each node must be half number of its children nodes. Correct answer B. Number of keys in each node must be 1 less than the number of its children nodes. Assume transaction A holds a shared lock R if transaction B also requests for a shared lock on R. A. It will result in a deadlock situation. B. It will immediately be granted. C. It will immediately be rejected. D. It will be granted as soon as released by A. Correct answer B. It will immediately be granted. Find the correct match for terms in column 1 to those in column 2. A, B, C, D. Correct answer D. B to P, C to Q, D to R and A to S. The ability to query data, as well as insert, delete, and alter tuples is offered by A. TCL, Transaction Control Language, B. DCL, Data Control Language, C. DDL, Data Definition Language, D. DML, Data Manipulation Language. Correct answer D. DML, Data Manipulation Language. Which of the following is false in ER and relational model? A. An attribute of an entity can have more than one value. B. An attribute of an entity can be composite. C. In a row of a relational table, an attribute can have exactly one value or a null value. D. In a row of a relational table, which is in one NF, an attribute can have more than one value. Correct answer D. In a row of a relational table, which is in one NF, an attribute can have more than one value. RAID level 1 allows A. Block interleaved parity, B. Mirroring, C. Stripping and mirroring, D. Bit interleaved parity. Correct answer B. Mirroring. RAID 0 stripping, RAID 1 mirroring, RAID 2 bit level stripping with dedicated Hamming code parity, RAID 3 bit level stripping with dedicated parity, RAID 4 block level stripping with dedicated parity, RAID 5 stripping with parity, RAID 6 stripping with double parity. Which statement correctly differentiates between the relational database, RDB, and object-oriented database, OODB, models? A. OODB supports multiple objects in the same database, while RDB only supports a single table per database. B. OODB incorporates methods in which the definition of the data structure is given, while RDB does not. C. RDB allows the definition of the relationships between the different tables, while OODB does not allow the relationships to be defined between objects. D. RDB supports indexes, while OODB does not support indexes. Correct answer B. OODB incorporates methods in which the definition of the data structure is given, while RDB does not. A third NF relation is converted to BCNF by A. Removing composite keys. B. Removing multivalued dependencies. C. Dependent attributes of overlapping composite keys are put in a separate relation. D. Dependent non-key attributes are put in a separate table. Correct answer C. Dependent attributes of overlapping composite keys are put in a separate relation. Given a relation country, name, continent, population, which of the following is a valid SQL statement? A. Select continent, population from country group by continent. B. Select continent, sum, population, from country group by continent. C. Select name, population from country group by continent. D. Select name, sum, population, from country group by continent. Correct answer B. Select continent, sum, population, from country group by continent. This query will work correctly since the continent field is the correct choice as it is the grouping field. The population field has an aggregating function sum. Hence it will give the correct answer according to the question.